Hello everyone, Dr. Taylor Levine from Unruh Spine Center, where today I'm going to be going over some conditions that you may not know myself as a chiropractor can help you with. I'm going to not only talk about how we can help you deal with some of these issues at home with some stretches and exercises, but I'm going to give you a glimpse of what some treatments may look like if you come into office dealing with these conditions. So one issue we see a lot of patients come in here with at times is dealing with elbow pain. Elbow pain can present itself in a few different ways, whether you're dealing with elbow pain in the inside part of the elbow, the outside, and sometimes even on the tip of the elbow here. These conditions can cause a lot of extreme pain and discomfort and even cause some issues when you're grasping on to hold something. What you may kind of Google online to try and find out for yourself is dealing with some sort of tendonitis or quote unquote tennis elbow or golfer's elbow. These types of conditions are just a large inflammatory response to the muscular tendons that attach into this elbow. And by coming in, we'll be able to help diagnose your specific conditions. And that way we can lay out a game plan for you to deal with these issues as far as an at-home remedy and as well as being able to treat it here in office. So depending on your elbow condition and how it's feeling for you, another great tool for at-home use is a massage gun. A lot of times when people are dealing with these elbow issues, whether it's on the outside or the inside, is a lot of tension in the actual musculature of that forearm. And I'm going to show you how to use the Theragun through that area to help alleviate that. So we're going to get started, and what we'll do is we're really just going to work on the muscle belly of the forearm here. And we're just going to work in an up and down motion to try and loosen that area. You'll find some tender spots along the way, and you can kind of hold over that area at times to relieve that tension. And this is me showing the outer part of the elbow, and then we can work on the inside part of the elbow through here. And as we're working on this, again, nice little sweeping motion, and when we find those little tender spots, we can hold it. One thing that I don't recommend is when you are doing the massage gun, do not put it directly on the elbow and the bone area on either side. If you are already dealing with pain in that elbow, by putting that massage gun right over that area, it will cause a little bit more discomfort, and that's what we're trying to avoid. If your elbow issues are a little bit more problematic and they're not going away with some at-home care, and that's whether using a massage gun or icing over that area a couple times a day, then you may be a good candidate for shockwave therapy over that elbow to help with your condition. We offer shockwave therapy here at Unruh Spine Center. By all means, please go on my social media accounts where I've made a few videos on shockwave therapy, in particular shockwave therapy for elbow pain. Again, I'm Dr. Taylor Levine from Unruh Spine Center, and if you're dealing with this condition, please call my office and make an appointment. We'll get you evaluated and figure out what your best course of care is. We'll talk again soon.